John Ozzie here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Godswill. Godswill has been trading with us from 9th of March 2021 up until the present date of 29th of April 2021. Godswill has done very well by maintaining 10.03% gain, and he's maintained a daily rate of 0.18%. Godswill started with a drawdown of 0.01% in positive territory, not even negative. And as his account's been going up, he's been hitting a drawdown, but on a positive territory. So as we can see the account equity going up and down, we have to commend this trader on two things. One, preserving the balance, still having a drawdown, but in positive territory. And that tells me this trader's either breaking even or just losing partial of his profit, but not even actually touching the actual drawdown or limit. So this is very great and good moving forward. The favorite part of my review when it comes to the advanced analytics, the statistics, he's traded 118 times. He's won 66 out of 118, which represents 56% gain, and he's lost 52 out of 118, which represents 44%. So just a little bit above average. But this is a good attempt. This is just the first attempt. So I'm going to make some recommendations to make you even a better trader. Focus on your mistakes and take my tips on board, because I challenge you, as I've challenged a few other people. On the next level, I would like to see this percentage gain increase by at least 15%. So basically, you're on 56% win rate. I want to see you on at least 71%. And I want you to reduce your downside, your 44%, by 10%. I want you to go up by 15 and down by 10, which is very possible and achievable because you've achieved 10%. So the way you achieve this is by learning from your mistakes, being in control of your mindset, and very cautious on your money management. So let's have a look at some of your open trades. We can see, first of all, your stop losses have been hit a few times, and as you can see, your lot sizes are very conservative. So number one thing I'll tell you, incorporate a stop loss to control the losses. Although you got gains, and we can see the consistent gains outweighing the losses, but you can be a better trader by controlling these losses. All these losses here can be avoided with the stop loss. And again, it's down to your approach. How are you approaching the market? Are you approaching it from a long-term view? Are you approaching it with a right routine? So let's give a few examples. Have a trading plan, a routine I use to trade the markets. Have a trading plan, have a checklist. On the AudaCity community app, I've actually put a checklist on there. You look at that, trading plan, checklist, money management, look at your risk management as well. That's the most important part of things to do. Then keep yourself accountable. Know your entry, know your risk, your stop loss, and always try and at least make your stop loss 2 times your risk to give you your take profit. So at least whatever happens, you still get 2 times what you put in. And another rule of thumb, once your trade is in profit by 10-15 pips, move your stop loss to your entry. That will always protect you from the negative deficit. So even if you get stopped out, you still get stopped out with a bit of profit, which is very good, and that will help you as well. Another thing now we can look at, um, probably you're late to the party. FOMO could be a factor as well. And when you have FOMO, you have no control. You're always going to need to be chasing the market to go up or down. So always have a structure in place. Look at the market structure. Is the market trending upwards, downwards, or sideways? Based on that, make a decision. What is price action saying? What are the candlestick patterns? How do you want to get in? By Fibonacci, by a pullback, by a moving average crossover, or by indicators? Always know you make sure you get your entry on point, know your maximum downsize, and again, put your lot size according to your risk, because at the end of the day, you're on a new level now. So what I can mainly recommend is adapt your strategy and lot size according to your risk profile, and maintain a strong mindset and keep your emotions in place. Because when you keep your emotions in place, your profits are going to be exponential. Trading is like any job. It comes with risk and emotions. You control your emotions by reading psychology books, spending time developing your mindset. Your mindset is like a muscle. It's what you feel, fear and flight. Control these, master these by reading books. Network with like-minded individuals on the Audacity community app. Invest in courses. There's now an Audacity course on the platform, Mindset and Psychology, where you spend 3-4 days with me and I go through these things with you on a deeper level. And I share my life experiences of 18 years plus trading the financial markets. So these are things you can do to develop yourself as a trader, because as you go into the later stages, whether you like it or not, your mindset will play up on you. You need to control that mindset and get the psychology right, because the bigger the lot sizes are, the more fear will come into play. You need to control that fear and trade in a calm and cool manner. Always control the trade you take on the markets, not the market controlling your trade. I wish you all the best and congratulations on your achievement.